Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to complete our reading and writing assignments. Following each lesson that we do every day, we will have an activity that goes along with it. To complete those activities, you'll find them inside of Google Classroom. To enter the Google Classroom, go through your My Fort Worth ISD account and you'll sign in. And then once your student is signed in, you'll click on the Google Classroom icon and you'll see BHE Kindergarten. At the top, click Classwork, and you'll see all of our different topics: virtual classroom and centers, literacy, math, modifications, and resources. To do our reading assignments, you'll focus on the literacy topic. In here, you will see that assignments are organized by week. Since it is to do the first week's assignments, you'll click on week 1. It will open up a slide that has all of the week's assignments in one place. So the entire week you'll be working from this slide. When you click on it and open up the slide, it will allow you to make changes and edit the slide so that it can save your work. Each one of these pages has an activity with the date on it. So on Tuesday, September 8th, you will complete this page. On Wednesday, September 9th, you will complete this page. On Thursday, September 10th, you will complete this page. And on Friday, September 11th, you will complete this page. Each time you complete a page and save it, it will notify me that you have completed the page, saved it, and I will be able to see your students' work. So let's go to the Tuesday assignment. So since we don't have school the first week on Monday, when you see a page that looks like this, it will often be a reading response or something that your student is going to do in their reading journal. Now, because they're doing it on actual paper with a pencil and crayons, that's not something that we can just do on a tablet or on a computer, so that they have those pencil skills, writing skills, coloring skills, all the things that they need to work on as kindergartners. It makes it a little bit difficult to make those assignments completely virtual. So in order to incorporate those pencil and paper assignments, we're going to use a journal. And when you see a page like this, your student will complete the assignment in their journal, and they will take a picture and upload it right here in this box. To hear the directions, you can always click on this little icon right here, click the play button, and you'll hear my voice explain some of the directions. Now, remember that whatever assignments are in this presentation or in this slide, your student will be getting specific directions from the teacher in the lesson. So you can always look back in our Google Classroom for the lesson so you can see the instructions, or your student really should have a very clear idea of what they're supposed to do. This video is more to just help you find where to locate the assignments and how to upload them. So when your student completes a page, they'll take a picture of their journal and they'll upload it here. Some activities, however, will look like this. So for example, this is our Wednesday activity, and this is a drag and drop activity. So most of our reading assignments will either be things that they'll do in their journal, take a picture and upload, or it will be a drag and drop activity in Google Slides. Again, this is something we will go over in the lesson, so your student should be familiar on how to complete this. Just a little introduction to this type of activity. This is a letter hunt with different movable pieces. Your student will have to click first on the movable piece and then drag the piece to where they want to drop it. This activity will be explained in the lesson, and any future drag and drop activities will be explained in the lesson. So to go over what we just learned, we talked about accessing Google Classroom from your Fort Worth ISD account, clicking on classwork, and locating the literacy topic. Then you will find the correct week that we are on and open that assignment. When you open the assignment, you will see all of the different week's assignments, and you'll be able to change them and modify them to show that your student has completed the assignment. And last but not least, instructions for each assignment will be embedded in the lesson so that your student knows how to complete each assignment.